I'm Debbie Jennerjohn.
And I'm David Jennerjohn. We own Ultimate Truck Service in Richfield, Washington. We're celebrating our 20th year in business this year. It's been 11 years since we started working with Drive. A world has changed. I tell the story to a lot of people. They want to know what Drive did for my business. She fell and hurt herself, which was a lengthy recovery, and then got sick at the end of the recovery.
Got a kidney stone that
Yeah.
wouldn't pass. Never had one before, so.
Almost died in the hospital.
Because I got a septic infection.
We
from
lost
it.
a $400,000 a year account, 2 techs out of the shop, and both service riders all in the same weekend.
So,
I'm trying to take care of a very sick wife, raising 2 grandkids, running a business, which I'm not doing very well. I'm out of technicians. I have a lot of work. I'm running around with my head on fire again like I was 11 years ago when we started this thing. And I couldn't get anywhere. I just kept spiraling down. And our top 20 group came and bailed us out.
well, Lynetta came and ran my shop, ran my office, did ads for technicians and did initial interviews and, got my front office working good. David Celine came out and turned wrenches over the weekend. Buck Munson came and turned wrenches for a week. One of our other top 20 people that live up the road, they sent their son down for 2 weeks. They paid his wages 1 week, we paid it another week. I mean,
And even the top 20 people that couldn't actually came out, they don't,
they did a lot of things.
offline. They helped with advertising, and everybody kicked in.
So, yeah. And then Drive, they helped with our payments so that we didn't have to make those for a while until we got back on our feet. Among a lot of other things, helping with the advertisements and, they came full of support.
We ended that year, after losing a $400,000 account, we ended that year only $200,000.
No,
$100,000 down from the year before. So we felt pretty fortunate. A lot of thanks to Drive and our top 20 group, and different advertisement with different sources of income. So it was tough, but it was worth it. If it wasn't for Drive, we would not be in business today.